Good morning students, welcome in science class. As you know that beta we have started our new lesson 6 adaptation in plants, and we have already completed the topic habitat and adaptation in the previous class. Okay, so today in this class we will discuss about the types of plant. There are two types of plants on the basis of habitat. Plants can be classified in two types, that is terrestrial and aquatic plants. Okay, and terrestrial plants further divided into many categories like plants in hilly areas, plants in desert, plants in hot and damp areas, plants in swampy areas, marshy areas, etc. Okay, so today in this class we will discuss about terrestrial plants and their classification. What type of features, what type of characteristics that help plants to live in that particular condition, in that particular area. Okay, so ready for the class? Now let's start the class. Okay, a natural surrounding or a place where a plant lives is called its habitat. A place where a plant lives, just like as you live in your home, that in the same way plant live a place, that place is called its habitat. The place is chosen depending upon the suitability of the climate. Okay, and it is the place where they can grow and reproduce in the similar way as you grow and reproduce in your home. In the same way, the place where a plant live, where they can grow and they can reproduce, that place is called its habitat. For example, like tea leaves grow in the hilly areas, and this place is chosen depending upon the suitability of the climate. Okay, now as you know that there are different type of plants. Okay, all over the world there are different type of plant. Where do they grow? Plants grow almost everywhere. We can see plants in hills, in desert, in plain areas, in marshy areas, in hot and damp areas, and in desert areas. Okay, trees are of different shapes and size. Some trees are round, some are oval, and some are cone, like a cone. Okay, so the trees or plants are different in different places, because they grow according to their surroundings. Different plants survive in that particular situation according to their surrounding. They have certain features that help them to develop, to help them to grow in certain conditions. Okay, some places are hot, some are very cold. Some places get heavy rain, some are average, and some are very less. Okay, so in different places, different types of plants grow. They grow according to the climate, according to the soil. Some places have sandy soil, and some places have clay soil. Okay, so different plant grow different places. They adapt themselves. They have certain features that help them to grow in particular surroundings. So adaptation क्या है बेटा? What is adaptation? Adaptation is the adjustment. It is the adjustment is that enable plants to survive in their surrounding. It is called adaptation, and it is because of adaptation to their surrounding that plant look different too. Okay, so the special features that plants have that enable them to survive in their surrounding is called adaptation. Okay, and that is why plants are different in different places. Okay. Now beta, need for adaptation. Why plants need adaptation? Why adaptation is required? Plants also need to adapt themselves according to the condition of a place. For example, plants of mountain region. Plants in mountain region or hilly areas are very tall. So why they are tall, beta? Why the plants in hilly areas are tall? So that because बेटा they get plenty of sunlight. अगर वो छोटे रहेंगे तो mountains की वजह से उन्हें sunlight properly नहीं मिल पाएगी. That's why the plants in hilly areas or in mountain region, they are tall so that plants can get plenty of sunlight. Okay, in the same way desert plants have deep root or needle shaped leaves. Why they have deep roots? Because in desert there is a shortage of water, so these roots help them to obtain water from depth. ये रूट उनकी हेल्प करती है वाटर लेने में, ठीक है, फ्रॉम अंडरग्राउंड अर्थ. एंड नीडल शेप्ड लीव्स प्रिवेंट द लॉस ऑफ वाटर. व्हाई? दैट इज व्हाई द डेजर्ट प्लांट हैव डीप रूट एंड नीडल शेप्ड लीव्स. Okay, so according to the condition they have certain features that adapt themselves according to the surrounding. Now beta, how do plant adapt themselves? कैसे plant अपने आप को adapt करते हैं? I am giving you certain example. First, that is rose plant. Rose plant, many plants have thorn. So rose plant have thorns to protect themselves from animals. Second example is cactus. The leaves of the cactus are reduced to spine. Their leaves are reduced to spine so that water loss is minimum, and the stem make food for the cactus plant because their leaves are reduced to spine. Okay, और इस तरह से वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. Now third example is some plants have sensitive leaves. Like touch me not. जब हम touch me not प्लांट को हम टच करते हैं, they close when you touch them. और इस तरह से वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं और अडेप्ट करते हैं. Now fourth one is some plants are poisonous. When we touch them, they cause itching sensation. So they like poison ivy. और इस तरह से they protect themselves and adapt themselves according to certain conditions. So these are the certain example that how plant adapt themselves. ठीक है. Yes beta, now we will start the reading. Lesson 6, adaptation in plants. So first topic है beta, habitat. A place where a plant lives is called its habitat. जैसे आप लोग अपने घर पे रहते हो, ठीक है, and that place is called your home. In the same way, the place where a plant lives is called habitat, and the place is chosen depending upon the suitability of climate. और वो जो प्लेस है वो जिस क्लाइमेट में, जिस जगह पे वो इजीली सुटेबल रह सकते हैं, सुटेबल क्लाइमेट में रह सकते हैं, वो प्लेस उसके अकॉर्डिंग चूज करते हैं. इट इज़ द प्लेस वेयर दे कैन ग्रो एंड रिप्रोड्यूस. ये ऐसा प्लेस है जहाँ पर वो ग्रो करते हैं, बढ़ते हैं और रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं, अपने नए प्लांट्स को और ग्रो करते हैं. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे टी लीव्स ग्रो इन हिली एरियाज. टी जो है वो हिली एरियाज में ग्रो करती है. ठीक है. डेजर्ट प्लांट, कैक्टस प्लांट ग्रो इन डेजर्ट एरिया. ठीक है. सो प्लेस वेयर अ प्लांट लिव, दैट इज कॉल्ड हैबिटेट, एंड द प्लेस इज चूजन बाय द सुटेबिलिटी ऑफ द क्लाइमेट इन विच दे कैन ग्रो इजिली. ठीक है. जहां पर वो इजिली ग्रो कर सकते हैं उस क्लाइमेट में ही वो ग्रो करते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट है बेटा एडेप्टेशन. All plants have to adjust themselves to their surroundings to live and reproduce. All plants, जैसे in the same way we have to adjust themselves according to our family members, according to the place where we live. ठीक है. इन द सिमिलर वे प्लांट्स को भी अपनी अकॉर्डिंग टू सराउंडिंग्स अपने आप को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, वहाँ रहना पड़ता है एंड रिप्रोड्यूस करना पड़ता है. एंड दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट इन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया, और ये जो प्रोसेस है एडजस्टमेंट का इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, दैट इज कॉल्ड अडेप्टेशन. ओके. द प्रोसेस ऑफ adjustment or the process of adaptation. ठीक है, the process of adjustment themselves to the surrounding, that is called adaptation. Adaptation means adjustment. Adjust themselves, themselves according to the surrounding, according to the climate. Okay. Now how do plant adapt themselves? कैसे वो अपने आप को अडेप्ट करते हैं? Many plants have thorns to protect them from animals. कुछ जो प्लांट्स होते हैं बेटा उनमें कांटे होते हैं, वो अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम दैट, फ्रॉम अदर एनिमीज लाइक रोज. इन मैनी प्लांट्स लीव्स आर रिड्यूस्ड टू स्पाइन. और कुछ प्लांट्स में लाइक कैक्टस, यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड दिस टॉपिक दैट कैक्टस हैव थॉर्न्स, दैट कैक्टस हैव स्पाइन्स. The leaves of the cactus are reduced to spines so that water loss is minimum. Okay, so cactus की जो leaves है उसको protect करती है enemies से. Third है बेटा, some plants have sensitive leaves. कुछ plants में sensitive leaves होती है, they close when you touch them. When you touch any plants, when you touch this plant, this is called touch me not plant. When you touch that plant, they will hide themselves, they will close. Some plants are poisonous. कुछ प्लांट्स होते हैं बेटा पॉइजनस होते हैं, दे कॉज ईचिंग सेंसेशन ऑन योर स्किन. कुछ प्लांट्स पॉइजनस होते हैं और जैसे हम उसको टच करते हैं वो आपके स्किन में ईचिंग सेंसेशन प्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल पॉइजन आइवी. ओके, सो बेटा यू हैव टू रीड दिस पेज नंबर 64 ऑफ लेसन 6 adaptation in plants thoroughly. Okay, the topic are habitat and adaptation. Okay, so beta you have to read page number 64, only 2 topic, that is habitat adaptation and how plants adapt themselves. Okay, so you have to read these topic only thoroughly. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.